know for the last 10, 20 years in Cork, where you're from, in particularly County Cork, a lot of new residential areas were named in Irish. There's not many in the city, but in the county. In Dublin, throughout independence, we got independence in 1922, and in Dublin and most counties actually in Ireland, there were few named solely in Irish from 1922 up until the 90s. And it's a mark of shame, I think, kind of, if you're interested in Irish and you look back in the period from independence, you would have thought, given how radical the people who fought for independence were, you would have thought that there would be a greater visibility of Irish from when we got independence and the decades on. But if you actually travel around Ireland, say the Republic of Ireland or Northern Ireland, and you look at all the estates that were built 50 years ago or more than that, most of them haven't got Irish names. They're named in English and they have a translation on the road sign, but the name on the pillar or whatever going into the area is generally in English. And it's only since, as I said, the early 90s when Galway City Councillors passed a motion that all of them Galway City Council will be named solely in Irish, that the development really got off the ground, if you know what I mean. So it's only, and it's spread, the influence of it spread from Galway to a lot of other counties in Ireland. And down in Cork, you have an organisation called Gael-Taca based in Cork City, and they've been doing great work on it for the last 20 years. In other counties in Munster and other places. But there are still about 10 counties in the Republic of Ireland, and there are few proportionately named in Irish only, you know.